In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping on Shopify in 2025. Whether you're just getting started or are looking to expand your online business globally, setting up international shipping can open up new opportunities and markets for your store. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard and look for the My Store option. This is essentially the home hub where you can manage everything about your Shopify store. Once you're there, you'll have access to various settings that will help you configure your store the way you want. Next, direct your attention to the Settings section, usually located in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Within the settings, you'll need to find and click on Shipping and Delivery. This is the section where you can manage your shipping options, and it's vital for configuring international orders correctly. Here, Shopify offers various tools and resources to help you streamline the shipping process for both you and your customers. Once in the Shipping and Delivery section, look for the Manage Rates link, typically associated with shipping profiles. When you click on All Products, you'll see the different shipping profiles associated with your store's products. This is crucial because it lets you manage how each of your products is shipped, both domestically and internationally. Now it's time to focus on international shipping specifically. Look for the profile labeled International, which includes various countries such as Austria, Australia, and Belgium. Click on this profile and you will see a list of regions included in this shipping zone. This step is important to ensure that your international customers get accurate shipping options when they order your products. The next step is to click on Highlight. This feature draws attention to specific shipping zones that might require special attention or adjustments. Highlighting can be particularly helpful if you have unique shipping considerations for certain regions, like special rates or carrier options. Finally, you'll need to click on Edit Zone. This allows you to tweak the specifics of the shipping zone, such as which countries are included and what shipping rates apply. Within this menu, you can also customize delivery times and set any special conditions that apply to international orders. By carefully editing your shipping zones, you can provide clear, efficient service to your global customer base. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Shopify store set up to handle international shipping efficiently. Remember, opening your store to international markets can significantly expand your brand's reach and revenue potential. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!